My name is Hang, and I have a beauty clinic called Transforms Health and Beauty Clinic, which is right in the center of town in Horsham. I have been in the business for nearly 4 years now, and I am at the point where I feel like I am doing everything and I just don't have enough time to carry out all the tasks, and I wanted to grow and I want the profit to be more profitable. So I know that I needed some help in the structure and how I organize my business. And that is the reason I come and see James and Jessen here. The contents that James and Jessen gave us over the last 3 days has been fantastic. It's full of contents, so many things for you to take on. For me, it's particularly about having the sales and marketing system in place, having the business process and system in place so that it can run with or without you. And those are the points that I won't take away, and I will implement it straight away. They are fantastic guys, James and Jessen. They are very genuine and very interested in your success.